Have a better night's sleep with these snoring tips. With so many different things competing for your attention, the last thing you need is one more issue contriving to keep you from a full night of sleep. Unfortunately, snoring your own or that of another person often does just that. This video is packed with useful information to help you get the rest that you deserve. If your bedmate is a chronic snorer, it may become necessary to make certain adjustments to your schedules. Ask your snoring partner to wait until you have already fallen asleep before coming to bed. This way, you can fall asleep quickly and may have a better chance of waking up being well rested the next day. In order to cut back on snoring, turn over and sleep on your side, not on your back. If you sleep on your back, especially with only 1 or 2 pillows, mucus can gather in your nasal passages. Sleeping on your side will keep the mucus out of the passages, and you won't have a blockage that will cause snoring. A way to avoid the snoring that comes with extremely deep sleep is to develop and keep a steady sleep routine. If your body is accustomed to resting at a certain time, that sleep will be calmer, and you'll snore less. Getting a regular 8 hours a night, at the same time each night, will make sleeping more beneficial, and quieter for those around you. If you don't want to snore, drink plenty of water and other fluids. When there is a lack of water, your nasal secretions become denser and are more likely to increase clogging of your air passages. To cut back on snoring, you should drink as much water and caffeine-free drinks as possible every day, at least 10 full glasses. With the advice and information from this video, hopefully there is more rest and relaxation in your future. Whether you have problems snoring or are forced to share a bed with someone who does, these helpful tips have come at just the right time. Before you lose another night of sleep, remember the information that you have just read. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.